Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we have to find fs, that means Laplace, if we have given the function which is f of t is equals to, this is part A, which is f of t is equals to 6 e to the power minus t multiplied with cos hyperbolic. So, this is cos hyperbolic to t. So, here as we know that Laplace of, so this is Laplace of cos hyperbolic. So, cos hyperbolic et, so this would be et is equals to, this would be s divided with s square minus a square. So, Laplace would be equals to here for this term. So, this would be Laplace would be 6 multiplied with here s plus 1 divided with s plus 1 whole square minus 4. So, this would be s plus 1 whole square minus 2 square is 4. So, this would be, after solving, 6 multiplied with s plus 1 divided with s square plus 2s minus 3. Now, we have to find the Laplace if we have given the function f of t is equals to 3t e to the power minus 2t multiplied with sine hyperbolic 4t. So, as we know that Laplace of sine, so this would be sine hyperbolic at. So, this is at is given by, this would be a divided with s square minus a square. So, similar term would be here, say Laplace of 3 e to the power minus 2t and sine hyperbolic. So, this is sine hyperbolic 4t would be equals to, this is 3 multiplied with this term. So, this is 4 divided with s plus 2 square minus 4 square is 16. So, this is 12 divided with, this is 3 multiplied with 4. So, this would be 12 divided with s square plus 4s minus 12. So, here this is a Laplace, but we have to again multiply it with t. So, when we multiply it with t, so this would be the required term. Say Laplace would be Laplace of t multiplied with 3 e to the power minus 2t sine hyperbolic 4t. So, this would be, say, minus d divided with ds, differentiation of this would be 12, and 12 divided with this term, or we can write it as, say, 12, we can write it as 12 divided with s square plus 4s minus 12. So, when we do the differentiation, so we are getting, after differentiation, this is 24s plus 2 divided with s square plus 4s minus 12, and now we have to make the square of this term. So, we have the answer for part A is here, for part B is here, and now part C. So, here we have to do it for part C. In part C, we have given, this is the function which is f of t is equals to 8 e to the power minus 3t and cos. So, this is cos hyperbolic. So, this is hyperbolic u multiplied with t minus 2. Now, this term, so this term, as we know that, say this is cos hyperbolic t can be written as e to the power t plus e to the power minus t divided with 2. So, our function, so here this would be f of t is equals to 8 multiplied with e to the power minus 3t, and this term is here. So, this would be e to the power t plus e to the power minus t divided with 2 and multiplied with, say, u of, say this is u of t minus 2. Now, this term can be written as, say, when we do it, when we separate it into two parts. So, this would 4 divided by 2 is, this 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, 4 and e to the power, so this would be 4 e to the power 4, and this would be e to the power minus 2 multiplied with t minus 2, and u of t minus 2 plus 4 e to the power minus 8 and e to the power minus 4 multiplied with t minus 2 and then u of t minus 2. Now when we do the Laplace of these two terms, so Laplace of this term is equals to 4 e to the power minus 2s plus 8 divided with s plus 4, and this would be s plus 2 actually. So this is s plus 2 and here this would be 2s plus 4 so this is 2s plus 4 and s plus 2. Now when we do the Laplace of this term, so this is plus 4 e to the power minus 2s plus 8 divided with s plus 4. So when we add these two, so we are getting the Laplace of this term is e to the power, so this is e to the power minus 2s plus 6 is multiplied with 4 e square plus 4 e to the power minus 2 multiplied with s plus, this would be 16 e square plus 8 e to the power minus 2 divided with, so this is divided with s square plus 6s plus 8. So this is the answer for part C.